everyone and welcome. I am Chef Christy, and on this channel I share a wide variety of delicious recipes each and every week. So please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and let me know that you like my videos. And if you hit that little notification bell, you'll know as soon as I upload a new video. So today is smoothie making day. I am making 3 delicious smoothies. They are so cool and refreshing, perfect for breakfast, lunch, or even a snack. Let me just show you how to make these smoothies. Okay, so the first smoothie that I'm going to make is a strawberry and banana smoothie. Who does not like strawberry and banana smoothies? I'm just saying. And I'm using around a cup to a cup and a half of the frozen bananas and frozen strawberries, but honestly, just put in however many you want. And then I'm going to be using this Lifeway Kefir yogurt drink mix. And I really like this because it has 12 live cultures, it's full of probiotics, and it's high in protein. And I'm using right around a cup to a cup and a half. Next, I'm going to squeeze in some honey, right around a tablespoon, 1 or 2 tablespoons, just to give it some added sweetness. Now you can blend this up all on its own and it would be delicious, or you can kind of turn this into a little bit more of a breakfast smoothie by adding some old-fashioned oats and chia seeds. Now this is optional. I just like to use them because it really does increase the protein and the fiber. So I'm using 2 tablespoons of old-fashioned oats and then 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. And now I'm just going to blend it up. I'm actually going to add just a little bit more of this yogurt mix. Okay, so the next smoothie I'm going to make is a cherry berry smoothie. So delicious. And I'm just using a frozen blend of strawberries, blueberries, and cherries. And again, right around a cup to a cup and a half of frozen berries. And I'm just going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to use this yogurt drink mix. Squeeze of some honey. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my oats and chia seeds, but again, this is optional. So the last smoothie that I'm going to make is for a mango and pineapple smoothie. Oh, so delicious. And again, I'm just using the frozen mango and the frozen pineapple. Going to use my yogurt drink mix. And then I'm going to use this coconut and mango bai drink. And I'm just going to use a little bit of it, but I really like to use these because they are low in calories, but I'm only going to use maybe 1/4 of a cup. Again, some honey, and then my oats and chia seeds. Oh my goodness, these smoothies look delicious. And look who just showed up, my daughter Sierra. She knew I was making smoothies today and she loves smoothies. So which one of these do you want? I'm going to do the mango pineapple. That's my favorite. I knew she would pick that one. I'm going to do the cherry berry smoothie. These are absolutely delicious. See what you think. Oh my goodness. This is delicious.
Oh, that is good.
All right, well, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon with more recipes.